In this CryptoWinRate video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Hotcoin to your bank account. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this code, which will make you eligible for sign-up bonuses. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. While we can buy crypto with our credit card on Hotcoin Global, we can't directly withdraw funds straight to our bank account. So to do this, we need to send funds to another centralized exchange, convert those funds to fiat, attach our bank account, and then withdraw. For this video, we will be sending funds to Coinbase, as Coinbase is one of the biggest and most trusted centralized exchanges in the world. To start the withdrawal process, we head to our wallet, go to withdraw, select crypto. We can see we have about 51 USDC in our account. We will be trying to withdraw that to our bank account. For the withdrawal network, Coinbase does not support BNB. Ethereum is a little too expensive, so we are going to withdraw our funds on the Polygon network. For withdrawal address, we are going to head to Coinbase as we are sending our funds to our Coinbase account. In our Coinbase account, we head to receive crypto, USDC. For our network, we need to match it up with the network we are using on our Hotcoin account, so that is the Polygon network. We should know that receiving crypto over the wrong network could mean losing your funds. So we need to make sure that we are sending our USDC on the Polygon network. If we choose a different token or network, we do have a potential to lose funds in the withdrawal/deposit process. We are going to copy our USDC address on the Polygon network and paste it in the withdrawal address section in our Hotcoin account. For the withdrawal amount, we are withdrawing the maximum amount. There is a 1 USDC fee, so we will be getting about 50 USDC in our Coinbase account. We can then click withdraw. We want to review the details again, so look at the token, address, and network, and make sure they all match up with our Coinbase account. If there is a mistake, we do have a potential to lose our funds. Once we've looked everything over, we can click confirm. And then we need to put in the 6-digit verification code from our email and the 6-digit authentication code from our phone. Once we have both codes, we can confirm. And we have successfully withdrawn 51 USDC to our Coinbase account. We'll pick the video back up when the funds have arrived in our account. In our Coinbase account, we can see that the 50 USDC has arrived. Next, we are going to convert that USDC into fiat. So we're going to go to sell. Click on our native currency. So for me, it is Canadian. And then for sell, we are selling our USDC. We can click max. I can click on this right here, and I could see the spread as well as the fee. Coinbase does not charge to convert USDC into fiat. So we can close that. I can now press sell now. And I have successfully sold my 50 USDC into fiat. Next, we are going to attach our bank account. So we're going to go to withdraw cash. In the cash out section, we can just press cash out all, continue, add a bank account, click on electronic funds transfer. Coinbase links your bank account via Trustly. They don't store your login credentials to your bank account, and your data is protected and never used without your permission. So once you've understood that, you can click continue. We need to find our bank. They have over 8,000 banks that you can choose from. My bank is right here, so I'm going to click that. We then need to log into our bank. Once we have the credentials, agree and sign in. To confirm your identity, you can either receive a text or a call on your phone. I'm going to choose text. Now I just need to input the security code from my phone. Continue. We can see my bank account here. And we have successfully attached my bank account to Coinbase. Our last step now is to withdraw the fiat to our bank account. So let's go back to withdraw cash. In cash out, we go to cash out all. Continue. Click on our bank. We can see for me it is a 68-cent fee. And we can withdraw now. My cash out request was sent. And just like that, the cash is on the way to my bank account. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time and goodbye for now.